Yeah, viewers, well, this TV's had one other repair done in the past. Only thing I can see it's been done, there's wires that have been soldered on here, because the socket that plugs in those two pins on this board, the board's actually burnt out. And a previous repair's been made and it's been jumpered with wires. You can see it's happened quite some time ago. Smoke made a hell of a mess. And burnt the bloody corner of the circuit board away. Whole corner's been burnt off. Now put a little thing here, pin cushion adjustment here. You put a botch cap on there, and they've put a wire soldered to here, which replaces those two pins on the end of this board that are burnt off. Yeah, the capacitor's got broken rubber too. Yeah, I've got to get the ESR meter out and test all these electrolytics. I wish I had some more actuals to replace the actuals, because axial capacitors are proper old school. Yeah, it's definitely worthwhile getting going, because it's as I said, Delta Gun TVs are very rare in Australia. 25 VCX-P22 National picture tube. Those speakers are bloody cool though. It doesn't say nothing about it being stereo though. It's definitely made before the stereo era. So it's just got two speakers, one with a tweeter. And this side doesn't have a tweeter. And the transformer down there. Probably for standby and that stuff. Yeah, it'd be just mono but with two speakers. This speaker doesn't have a tweeter on this side. Not at all. And they lubricate those controls. This is good construction. This is proper old school construction. This is how I like it. There's an integrated circuit there, as it says in the front. An IC. Filter capacitor. Real cool. This must have happened quite some time ago too. Look at that. Burnt the whole half the socket's burnt away. It's supposed to look like this one. 6 pins. Well, it's burnt 2 of the pins off here. Wow. Capacitor was there before the burn out by the looks of it. Some dry joints on here. Wow, it burnt badly. But yeah, that's what these cords are for. There's botch wires there to replace the traces that got burnt off. Let's go on to this little thermistor here. Vertical, yeah, a lot of vertical circuitry on this board. C418 capacitor's been cut out of circuit, put on this side. Kept it low profile, sort of soldered it in this way. This resistor's gotten hot. Oh man. Vertical pre-drive. Yeah. It's a good thing about my drive, I can get access to these boards that have identical TVs, no worries, I can just change them, but I can't get these anymore, so I've got to be more careful here. Yeah, the bubble's all cracked and perished, but the capacitor's tested alright on the other modular board. You see the rubber on there looks like it's bulged out and it's all cracked and perished. But despite that, the capacitor's tested alright. So, I'm going to give this a good clean that burnt muck off it, and touch up these pins here. They are bloody cracked the buggery. Oh, fix that up. Still not turning on. We are stuck in standby mode. There goes, and that's all that happens. So I've got to keep investigating. Interesting. What else could the problem be? Oh, that would have took care of most of the vertical problem anyway. Capacitor could have gone open. And it won't run if it's got, maybe there's some protection circuitry in here. If it detects ripple, it just doesn't turn on. So I might have to change this capacitor. This is ground, and it's got one wire going to the capacitor, and one's going on the ground. So I'd fix that board up. It's all been fixed up. This has all been taken care of. Replace the burnt diode. Here's your service mode, and normal mode. I couldn't find any more dry joints, so I fixed them up that was on that other board I just put back in. Here's the video signal processing delay line. You don't see those anymore. Those things are cool. Ultrasonic delay line. I like how it utilises the heat sinks of the transistors also as these modular boards that clip in and out. I'm pretty sure they're all plugged in, everything's plugged in properly there. It's cool I got it pressed on there. Stop any interference and stuff from the tube. Interesting, it's not powering up anymore though. There's more faults somewhere I've got to find. More troubleshooting. Top and bottom pin cushion. Oh, that's got to do with a pin cushion. Interesting. That fish definitely alright. Yeah, fish is alright. 1.6 amp fuse. Yeah, I wonder why we're getting stuck in standby. Let's check out that diode, that's kind of cool. So I'll fix this up, that's been fixed. That smoky diode has been replaced on this board down here. Fix that. Maybe I should replace these anyway, even though they're tested alright. The ESR are good and everything, so. Then again, I tested them in circuit. Maybe I could just replace them for the hell of it and see what it does. Very well made. I like how this tuner works though. Very cool. Very cool. You can set these on. Interesting. You can turn those wheels out so they hit that contactor. Oh, there you skip. These are your skips. Oh, channels are skip. That's what they are. Because these things clip out and that contactor gets pressed and then drives as a tuning motor, and I won't turn on those channels that you select because it's skip mode. So we're only, because I was playing with it before and I noticed they kept going and stopping at certain channels. Ah, that's how that works. So those little plastic screws there are your skip settings. So the channels that you do, so this has got 1, it's got 2, channel 4 and channel 8, that's it. The rest are in neutral. Interesting. So channel 8 was channel win. 4 might have been the ABC. That's it, the ABC and the 9 network. That's all this thing ever picked up. Well, from the remote anyway. Because it's only got those few channels there, the rest are all skipped. Press it in and tune it. Plastic there. Volume control got a bit stuck, so I'll fix that. Yeah, it's only a long-term project, this one. We'll slowly just start recapping everything. It's quite an early colour TV, this one. So I can try and track down date code in here. I haven't found a date code in here yet. That's cool. It actually has a chassis. It's got a full-blown chassis, like as if it was a valve. That's cool. It's earthed, so I don't think it's live chassis because it's got mains earth. So the chassis is connected directly to mains earth, so it's not live chassis, this one. 69. AN33 on that integrated circuit and 69. Is that the date code? 1969? Interesting. I know these are bastards for convergence too. The convergence is adjusted in those little things there on the guns. They wind those things out, but I've got to get a test pattern done. Can't see interesting, yeah, definitely early 70s, early to mid 70s for sure. Put this bloody cord back in. goes back in there like that. There we go. Made in Japan, all quality stuff. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Going to be a challenge just like getting it going again. Quite a good project. There's a flyback. It's kind of cool, it's got its own little board, really old style too, it's set up like that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.